Welcome. I'm Bob Redding, North Star District Commissioner. This video will explain how to install the My Scouting mobile app on your smartphone and log a visit into Commissioner Tools. Using your phone has several advantages over using your computer. First, since you always have your smartphone with you, you can log a visit during a meeting, during a campout, or immediately after returning to your car. There is no need to take mental notes and later log your visit into your home computer. Second, you don't need to remember how to navigate a series of menus to log a visit. You can navigate by smartphone with a few touches of the screen. Third, you don't need to type. You can narrate your notes directly into your smartphone. To install the My Scouting mobile app, search in the Apple Store or Google Play Store for the words My Scouting mobile app. Verify that the app looks like the one shown on the screen. Then click Install. The app will be installed on your smartphone. Then click Open. Log in using your My Scouting credentials. If you don't have a password manager, consider changing your password to something short and memorable, but still complex enough to be secure. To log a visit, click on the fleur-de-lis at the bottom of the screen. Click Units Assigned to Me. Note that on your smartphone you can only log visits for your assigned units. But using your browser to navigate to myscouting.org, you can log a visit for any unit. Next, scroll down to the unit of interest. Select Add New Contact. Complete the opening screen. For a simple assessment, click Simple. Enter the overall score. Scroll to the comments section. Narrate your comments. And click Save. I hope you have found this video useful. Now you can spend more time visiting and less time logging. Happy commissioning!